So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to see some more parts of the motor. Let's go for the new part design. Actually we are going to see the two parts because in last two videos we have completed it in very short period, so we can see two designs today. So let's go and let it build first. Yeah, let me turn on the internet. It will work more faster than, yeah. So let's go for the front plane. Go for sketch, and let's select a circle. Draw a circle, and the dimension of the circle will be, the diameter of the circle will be 5 mm. So the 5 mm diameter has been created. Now we have to go and extrude this up to 120 mm and hit OK. And let's go with the fillet tool. And what we have to do, we have to select this edge and this edge, and for that dimension we can go with actually 0.5 will be okay. Yeah, 0.5. Hit OK. Let's see. Yeah, it's now curved. So this is the one part, that is the shaft of the motor. So let's save it and go for the second part. And what will be the part number of this? I think that will be 22. Yeah, 22. Save it. So it's now saved. Let's go for the new part design. Hit OK. And for the second part, what we are going to do, we are going to select the, again we are going to select the front plane. Go for sketch. Sorry. Let's select the circle. Draw a circle of again 5 mm. And another circle of 15 mm. Let's drag it to here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to select the center rectangle and draw a rectangle over here. Okay, so let's drag it much more longer than that. Okay, and go for smart dimension. Select the dimension to be 15 mm. Yeah, and that dimension of this will be, I think the magnet was of, let me check once, because I think we can change it later on, but let's confirm once. The magnet was here. Yeah, the cell, the magnet. What was the thickness of the magnet? Actually I forgot. Let's check. uh, let's go for sketch, and the 50 and 58, that means 8 mm dimension. So we have to reduce up to 8 mm from that. Cancel it, exit, close this one, don't save. And 58, actually 8 mm minus, and the cell was of, I think 2 mm. 8 to 10 mm total, that means 50 mm, I think so. What was the actual dimension of the sketch? Let's see. The 60 mm, and the 2 mm of the cell was reduced from this, so the 10 mm reduced. So 60 minus 10, 50 mm. So we have to go with 50 mm. Yeah, so let's click here and give it a dimension of 50 mm. Now what we are going to do, we are going to erase these one. So we have to select the trim tool, select these one, this line 2, this one 2. Yeah, that's okay now. And now what we have to do, we have to draw, and I think we should reduce some more spaces from here, such that it could, let's go with 20 mm. The 5 mm will be the circular part of this. Let's select the circle and let's go with 25 mm dimension, a small dimension that will be of 50 mm. That's okay. And what we are going to do, we are going to select the 3-point arc, and let's select, yeah, like this, and let's go with a center line, and let's draw center line over here, and go with the mirror entities, select this line, about mirror about this one. So the line is created, hit ok, go with trim entities, erase these one too. Now the line has our part is created. What we have to do now is we have to simply erase this one, this one, this. Actually, let's erase these one too. What's the issue? Yeah, that's okay. Let's hit this one and this one too, this one too, this one too. So our a single part is ready now. What we have to do now is we have to select the linear sketch pattern, that is circular sketch pattern, and select the part to yeah, and select 3 for the, and the, I think that's okay. Let's hit okay, and now we have to again trim it from these sides. What the, let's undo it. What we have to trim is we have to trim these, we have to trim these lines. Yeah, but it's making some issues. So what we can do, I think there is some relations that is causing some issues. So let's first rebuild this. Okay, and let's go for the extrude boss base. Actually no planes are selected. Select the sketch 1 extrude boss base. We can extrude it right now with like this, and let's go for the front view. Select this one, and this one, and this one, and we have to extrude it to up to 40 or 50 mm. I think 50 will be okay, or we can go with 40. That will be much better. Let's go. If we will need, we can increase this later. So the 40 mm, as we can see that this is looking like much like an actuator's part. So that's all for today. We will assemble these at once in that. Okay, so let's save it first. File, save as, and the part will be of 23, I think so. uh, yeah, the part 23. So let's save it, and that's all for today guys. Bye bye.